In 2026, we find ourselves drowning in an era of disposable tech, devices designed to fail, forcing an endless, costly replacement cycle. But every so often, a tool emerges that defies this engineered obsolescence. A solution built not for the fiscal quarter, but for the long term. This, in essence, defines the ILIFE V5s Plus robot vacuum and mop combo, a professional-grade solution for those who understand the true cost of friction. Consider its singular focus on readiness. This isn't just a vacuum that cleans, it is a system designed to eliminate decision fatigue. Its robust 2,600 mAh battery delivers up to 110 minutes of runtime, automatically returning to its base. This quiet standard ensures it is always charged, always prepared. Think of the 5 minutes saved every Monday morning, those precious moments you no longer spend wondering if the battery is flat or manually initiating a forgotten cycle. That's time given back to you, time that actually matters. The physicality of this machine, while discreet, speaks volumes about its long-term value. Its slim, 2.99-inch profile, a seemingly minor detail, is actually a testament to thoughtful engineering, allowing it to navigate the underbelly of your home with unwavering precision. This isn't some hollow, flexing plastic shell designed for a single season. The integrated anti-fall sensors and the ability to seamlessly climb transitions up to 12 millimeters speak to a foundational rigidity and internal architecture that prevents common mishaps and keeps it out of the replacement cycle. It's built to operate consistently, quietly, and correctly, avoiding the frustrating cost of failure associated with lesser devices. Now, a true professional product review must acknowledge compromise. While its mopping function is highly effective for daily maintenance, providing a consistent, light refresh, it is not designed to replace a deep, monthly scrub. This is a professional compromise, understood by those who value consistent, automated cleanliness that delivers your weekends back, rather than an all-in-one gadget that excels at nothing. In the context of its overall workflow and time-saving capabilities, this slight nuance becomes almost irrelevant. For the current street price, you're not just buying a machine, you're investing in reclaimed time and eliminating low-level professional friction. Amazon prices on this robust unit are moving constantly in 2026, reflecting market dynamics. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.